EAACI, the European Academy of Allergy and Clinical Immunology podcast.
Hello everyone, welcome to the third episode of the EAACI podcast. I am Mohamed Shamji, Vice President of Congresses for the European Academy of Allergy and Clinical Immunology, and today I have the privilege to talk about our upcoming EAACI Congress 2024, which will be held in Valencia, Spain from the 31st of May to the 3rd of June. In this episode, I'm joined by Professor Mübeccel Akdis and Professor André Moreira, both co-chairs of the Scientific Program Committee. Hi Mübeccel. Hi André.
Hello Mo. It's a pleasure to me to be here and be able to talk about the program of the upcoming EAACI Congress. Thank you.
Hello Mo. It's a pleasure to be here today. Thank you for having us.
Thank you Mübeccel and André. I'm very excited to hear more about the rich scientific program which you have put together. I can only imagine how much hard work that's gone into it. As the themes for this year's Congress is revolutionizing patient care through the power of data science, our goal is to highlight the significance of data science in personalized healthcare and the One Health approach. We will have a diverse array of session types and tracks that will immerse our attendees in cutting-edge abstracts, providing a glimpse into the most recent research breakthroughs in allergy and clinical immunology. We have curated a wide variety of engaging workshops and exciting surprises, ranging from updated guidelines to exciting plans for our Knowledge Hub, innovative research projects spearheaded by EAACI, and a comprehensive schedule of upcoming meetings. This year, we have a dynamic scientific program featuring over 150 scientific sessions meticulously crafted to inform and inspire. These sessions will give our attendees invaluable insight and empower them to broaden their skills. Furthermore, we will have practical workshops designed to enhance the expertise of those who want to continue learning the latest in the field. Our participants will have the privilege of engaging with renowned experts from around the world who will share their experiences and the latest innovation in areas such as precision medicine, personalized medicine, artificial intelligence, and data science, allergen immunotherapy, immune modulators, biologicals, prevention of allergic diseases, novel treatments in allergy and asthma, innovation in novel approaches in clinical trials, and One Health, and many more. Mübeccel, as someone deeply involved in the Scientific Program Committee, could you give our audience a glimpse into the plenaries and symposia awaiting our participants at the Congress? What exciting topics will we be exploring?
We have some fantastic symposia lined up for our participants, each delving into critical allergy and clinical immunology areas. Let's start with one of the first day of the Congress, ETOP as a reflection of inborn errors of immunity, strategies for effective management. This symposium aims to explore the traditional atopic phenotypes linked to inborn errors of immunity. We will be creating a platform for scientific dialogue, discussing effective management strategies for atopy and exploring recent breakthroughs in understanding the relationship between atopy and inborn errors of immunity. It's a crucial session for anyone interested in the intersection of allergy and immune disorders.
That sounds incredible, Mübeccel. What other symposia do we have on the program?
Another compelling symposium is the one about mast cell clonality, hereditary alpha tryptophanemia, and anaphylaxis. In this session, we will explore how anaphylaxis manifests in clonal and non-clonal mast cell disorders. We will discuss the importance of assessing mast cell clonality and TPSAB1 genotyping, shedding light on their influence on patient prognosis. Additionally, we will highlight the accuracy of various mast cell clonality prediction scores and differentiate management approaches for patients with and without mast cell clonality, especially in cases like drug hypersensitivity and hymenopterovenom allergy. It's a critical discussion for clinicians and researchers alike.
These symposia sound like they are going to provide valuable insights for our participants. What other topics can they expect to explore?
Well, successfully managing severe asthma is another session not to be missed. We plan to discuss ways to select the right biological treatments for severe asthma and consider each option's efficacy. We will delve into response assessment to biological therapy through symptoms and clinical measure assessments, as well as effective management strategies for comorbidities of severe asthma. It's an essential symposium for healthcare professionals involved in managing asthma patients, providing practical guidance and updates on the latest treatments.
These symposia offer a wealth of knowledge and insight into critical areas of allergy and clinical immunology. Are there any other sessions our participants should be excited about?
Absolutely, Mo. For instance, hypersensitivity to drugs used to treat allergy is another exciting session. In this symposium, we will explore commonly used medications for allergy treatment and examine their potential for inducing hypersensitivity reactions. We will discuss special allergy testing methods and cross-reactions between antihistamines and corticosteroids, providing insights into managing adverse drug reactions in allergic patients. Additionally, we will provide an in-depth look at the side effects of biologicals used in conditions such as atopic dermatitis, asthma, and urticaria. It's an essential session for clinicians navigating the complexities of allergy treatment.
Thank you, Mübeccel, for that insightful overview of the symposia. André, what are the interesting topics on the program would you like to highlight?
Well, we will have a session called Challenges in Treatment of Chronic Rhinosinusitis with Nasal Polyps with Biologics. Chronic rhinosinusitis with nasal polyps presents unique challenges in treatment, and in this session we will provide the latest insights into evolving treatment approaches for this condition. We will discuss current clinically and scientifically pertinent inquiries, including disease remission and modification, as well as options for individuals with suboptimal responses and the importance of dosage and dosing schedules for biologics. It's a session that promises to offer practical guidance for clinicians managing chronic rhinosinusitis with nasal polyp patients.
That sounds like an exciting discussion, André.
Yes, and another fascinating symposium is the one about spatial biology and immunology. In this session, we will explore the current utility of spatial biology as a cutting-edge imaging tool in inflammation. We will discuss advances in microscopy and imaging technology in the context of myeloid cell traffic and the study of immunology at barrier sites for infection prevention. It's an opportunity to gain insights into the role of spatial biology in understanding the intricacies of immune response and inflammation.
That's incredibly intriguing, André.
The impaired epithelial barrier function, its interplay with the pathophysiology of eosinophilic esophagitis, is another session not to be missed. In this symposium, we will explore the pathophysiology of eosinophilic esophagitis and the role of impaired epithelial barrier function in its development. We will discuss the strategic manipulation of barrier dysfunction in eosinophilic esophagitis involving biologicals and microbiota, and draw insights from the inflammatory bowel disease paradigms to understand how lessons learned can be applied to eosinophilic esophagitis. It's a session that will provide valuable insights into the complex interplay between the epithelial barrier function and allergic diseases.
These symposia offer a wealth of knowledge and insight into critical areas of allergy and clinical immunology. Are there any other sessions our participants should be excited about?
Absolutely, Mo. Decoding antibody function in allergy is another session worth highlighting. In this symposium, we will uncover the dynamic interplay between follicular T helper cells and IgA at mucosal sites, highlighting the frontline defense against allergens. We'll also discuss the importance of targeting long-lived plasma cells for allergy management and explore the world of IgA glycosylation, decoding the language of antibodies. It's an opportunity to gain a deeper understanding of antibody function in allergic diseases and its implication for therapeutic strategies.
Thank you, André, for providing such a comprehensive insights into the program. There is so much that our participants have to look forward to at the EAACI Congress 2024. And to all of our audience, we invite you to join us for the next episode of the EAACI podcast with the inspiring Professor Abul Abbas, the director of the EAACI course about selected topic in basic and translational immunology, which will be held during the first day of the Congress. Don't forget to register for the EAACI 2024 Congress before 18 April and take advantage of the standard fee. See you soon and follow us on all our social media channels to stay updated about all the EAACI news.
All EAACI's podcast episodes will be available on Apple Podcast, Spotify, Google Podcast, and YouTube. See you on the next episode. EAACI, the European Academy of Allergy and Clinical Immunology podcast.